the world. Where is it in the world which was murdered in Nigeria? They couldn't establish that. Now, a few days ago, the prosecution came back and said, oh, you made a broadcast in Nigeria. Where is it made exactly? He must have to tell the court.
Today, we are talking about what has been happening around Nnamdi Kanu, his court matter, the rising tension, his family reactions, and the drama that has been building up ahead of his judgment. If you are listening right now, please remember to like this video and subscribe, because this update is very important and I want you to stay informed anytime news details come out. The story has been moving very fast, and one thing that has been standing out is the emotional pressure around the courtroom. Nnamdi Kanu's court sessions have always attracted attention, but recently the atmosphere has become even more intense. Supporters have been gathering, family members have been showing strong reactions, and everyone seems to be watching closely as the judgment date draws nearer. Please make sure you like this video right now and subscribe so you get every new update as it draws.
But they are not able to provide all these informations because they don't have any. Also bear in mind that the witnesses they showcase in court, they are mercenaries. They are mercenaries. And that is why we have filed for perjury today at the magistrate court in Abuja. So for how long will this evil keep going? Go everywhere in Nigeria, people are dying. Terrorists are killing people. Did Nnamdi Kanu kill anyone? The answer is no. So what is he doing in detention? It's an act of evil. Attack against Nnamdi Kanu is attack against the Igbos and innocent people of this country. Those who believe in fairness and equity should rise up now and not tomorrow. As you can say, thank you so much.
You just heard from the brother of Nnamdi Kanu.
Of defending himself, like cross-examining the witnesses. He did. But when you now ask somebody to defend something that does not exist, he will tell you that there is nothing to defend there. I think that is the message Nnamdi Kanu is trying to pass. The point is that for the judiciary, they felt they have a right as a judge because the final say lies on the table of the judge. So you can say whatever you like. That's what is happening now. And that is what we've been witnessing in this country for some time now. Okay, the judges are abusing their rights. The judiciary is abusing the law itself. You can't make a law and go against your law. Now, you use one judgment for a particular person and use another. You are messing the judicial system. So that's what Nnamdi Kanu is protesting because it's like he is helpless. So the only thing he can do, what he's saying, allow me move my final address. That it is his right. That's the outburst. Even when they say there's an outburst, what is the outburst? The outburst is that allow me, it is my fundamental human right. It is my fundamental human right that I move my final address. That is the outburst. And the judge is saying no. Now, what Nnamdi Kanu is trying to say is that the fact that you are a judge does not give you the right to go against the law that put you there. The judges, even though you are a judge and in any court you sit, you have the final say. But something gave you the power to have that final say. You cannot go against the law that gave you the power to sit in the court and pass judgment. So that's the outburst. That's what Nnamdi Kanu is challenging right now.
Is this a tribal issue? Because Kanu's brother is saying the Yorubas are against him.
Exactly. In fact, I made mention it in court. It's like the Yoruba nation and the Igbo nation are at war with each other. If you look at what is happening, you look at a government that will engage terrorists, the original terrorists that have killed before, and they say that they are now repentant. I mean, terrorists that will come out.
What happened recently that got people talking is the situation involving Kanu's brother. The tension inside the court was high, and his family members, who have always been very vocal about what they believe is happening to him, reacted strongly. Reports from people around the court described how emotions ran high, and at one point, the environment became too heated. Court officials asked people to leave the courtroom to restore calm. That moment led to Kanu's brother raising his voice, expressing his frustration over how the entire process has been handled. It was not a violent incident, but it was clear that the stress of the case is affecting everyone close to him. Please like this video and subscribe for more updates. The main issue that is adding pressure is that the court has already closed the opportunity for Kanu to present his defense. The judge said that he had enough time to open his defense but did not use it. According to the court, this means he technically waived his chance. And because of that, the court is moving forward toward giving a final judgment. That single decision has caused reactions across different groups. Some people say the court is being too strict. Others say the court followed procedure. No matter what side you are on, the truth is that the situation has created a lot of tension. As you are listening, please like this video and subscribe, because these updates will keep coming quickly. While all this is going on inside the court, things outside the court have also been intense. Supporters have been gathering. Some people have been protesting. During one of the major demonstrations, Kanu's younger brother and even his lawyer were arrested along with several others. They were taken into custody because the authorities said the protest crossed certain lines. This arrest added another layer of pressure because his family is now involved in the legal and emotional side of the matter more than ever before. Remember to like this video and subscribe so you do not miss the next updates. People in the Southeast are also watching very closely because this case is not just about one man anymore. It has become connected to identity, justice, and years of complaints from the region. Many community leaders have been warning that the government must handle the matter carefully. They say the judgment could affect peace and stability if it is not managed properly. They are calling for calm, for fairness, and for a peaceful resolution that will not cause more problems. As you listen, please like this video and subscribe. You are helping the channel grow and more people get informed. One thing that surprised a lot of people is that the court has announced that the judgment will be broadcast live. This is unusual in Nigeria, and it shows how important and sensitive the case has become. A live broadcast means everyone will see what happens at the same time. Supporters, critics, international observers, and ordinary Nigerians. It also means the court wants transparency so people will not rely on rumors or misinterpretation. Please take 1 second to like this video and subscribe right now. Nnamdi Kanu himself has maintained that his trial has not been conducted the way he believes a fair trial should be. He has challenged the process several times and insisted that the legal environment around him is not constitutional. On the other hand, the judge has said that he gave Kanu every opportunity to defend himself, including advising him to get legal representation, and that the court followed due process from beginning to end. Because of these two opposing positions, people are sharply divided over what will happen next. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe.